I've been noticing SIM swap fraud videos on YouTube for some time now and felt the way I set up my daily use phone could be a solution for this. I'll detail how you can do the same next. My phone is a standard Pixel 5 that uses a physical SIM. It was actually a SIM I used in my previous mobile hotspot, but since I no longer needed multi-device online access, I took the physical SIM out of my hotspot and put it into my phone. At that point, the phone number associated with the hotspot SIM was now active on my phone. Once you have a Google account, Google can also provide you with a phone number to use with Google Voice. Go to the site URL voice.google.com. If you don't already have a number, click the link at the bottom left to get a number. This brings up a search screen that allows you to search for a number of your preference. Because Google didn't offer numbers for my state, I instead searched for a number that was easy to remember. Once you find a number, you'll have to complete the prompts to assign that number to your Google account. Once you have your Google phone number, you'll also need the Google Voice app to use that number. The features of Google Voice are basically the same as the typical app you use to make phone calls. Just remember, the Google Voice app is the only way your Google Voice number can make and receive calls. Whether someone calls your SIM phone number or your Google Voice phone number, your phone will ring. The one difference is that Google Voice can also be accessed on your computer by going to the URL voice.google.com in your browser and logging in, if it isn't already. Similar to the Google Voice app on your phone, Google Voice can also be accessed through its website. That's one of the nicest features of Google Voice, is the ability to access it from anywhere, even if you don't have your phone with you. What I've done with any of my online accounts that require a second factor authentication via text message is to have the service authenticate using my Google Voice number. By using the Google Voice number, if I become a victim of SIM swap fraud, the number the thief will end up with is the SIM phone number, not my Google Voice number. Something else that might be of use for you is the idea of having multiple Google accounts on your phone, each with its own phone number. I use different phone numbers for different purposes, and they will all work like normal through the Google Voice app. Something else I've done since I've only ever used Google Voice for phone calls is that I only use the SIM for network connectivity. I've never used the phone number associated with my SIM for anything. This makes it easy for when I get a new phone. It doesn't matter what SIM I get because I never use the phone number it comes with. I have no idea how much more secure your bank account will be by using a Google phone number instead, but this does eliminate the SIM phone number as a weak link. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.